Hello and welcome to another video. On this video I'm going to share with you how to remove the weather icon almost at the bottom right corner, just right next to the network icon. That is sort of annoying for some people. For me it is, at least when you hover your mouse over. It's kind of annoying, as you guys can see. Either when you hover or you click, that pops up. It's for the previous news and interest widget that we used to have, but now they put it there. This was an update of Windows. If you don't personally like it, then this video is definitely for you. And if you guys like the wallpaper, I'll make sure to leave a link in the description so you guys can check it out. That page is very good for wallpapers. So let's go ahead and get to it. So again, as you can see, it's whenever you click or whenever you hover your mouse over to the icon. And what we want to do is basically right click and the taskbar. Here you're going to see the music interest part of the menu. You guys can do different actions with it. So right now, just turn it off and it's completely gone. But if you guys would like to do something additional, you guys can also just show the icon only, or show the icon and text. So the icon, it does that. It doesn't give you the full description of the weather. Basically, just gives you the icon. And also, we can, also reduce the taskbar updates. So in that case, it's not going to, show more updates. Or we can just disable the open when hover. Maybe if you guys decide to make that less annoying, so you can do that too. There's a lot of combinations you guys can do. If it bothers you only when it hovers, then you can just disable that, and you can be ready when you guys click it. And that is pretty much it. In my case, I really don't like it, so I'm just going to disable it when hovering, and then I can just have it ready whenever it is ready there. So thank you very much. Have a great one and stay safe.